Hi guys, this is Captain Samat or your very own Captain Sams. We all know the COLREGs, okay? But do we know the legislation that goes behind these? A lot of times what has happened in courts is that the rules have been interpreted slightly differently to what has been written inside the rules. For example, there has been a very particular case of a vessel overtaking another vessel with a CPA of 2 miles, and then the overtaking vessel further on makes a course alteration, becomes a crossing vessel. In this case, it was ruled that because no risk of collision existed when the overtaking vessel was overtaking, the subsequent alteration of course did not matter. And since the risk of collision came in only when the vessel was crossing, the crossing situation rule would have applied. In this case, the vessel which was initially overtaken without risk of collision was the giveaway vessel and needed to keep clear of the other one. Another example is when a vessel altered course to starboard for a fishing vessel and did not sound one shot blast when it was altering course. The reason the chief officer who was on watch gave a statement in court that he did not expect that the other vessel would hear it. The courts ruled that it was not for the officer on watch to decide whether or not the blast would be heard. He had a responsibility to sound one short blast and then alter course to starboard. What actually happened was, our vessel altered course to starboard, the fishing vessel altered course to port, and both ended up colliding. The vessel which was the power-driven vessel was held to be responsible only because he did not sound one short blast. Keep these small nuances in mind and you will be more confident. There are numerous other examples which I have cited in this course. So once you have an understanding of how the legislation works, you will have a better idea of how these rules apply. Take the course and crush it with renewed confidence and always stay safe.